everyone, Seanine Brady here from the Crystal Lake Public Library, and I am here to share another story time with you. And I am so excited. Oh, but before that, big news! Did you know that you can sign up for the summer reading program right now? If you haven't yet, you can. We have all kinds of fun for you this summer. So make sure you go on our website, clpl.org, and check out all the fun programs that we have coming up, all related to the summer reading program and all of the other fun things. So have a look at that. But today I have a story for you. It's a brand new story. It's very silly because you know I like the silly stories. It is called See the Cat. Wait a minute. Is that a cat on there? It's not. This is 3 stories about a dog, and this is by David LaRochelle. And if you know David LaRochelle, he also wrote the book Moo. Moo. It's one of my favorites. I have to tell you, it's kind of funny because there's no other words in that book other than moo. It's pretty great. So check that one out when you have a chance. It's illustrated by Mike Wanutka. And we'll get started. And I do want to tell you, I'm going to take a little break in between because it's a chapter book, a very, very short chapter book. And we'll sing a song in between, Down by the Bay, for no other reason than I want to. So let's get started. Here we go. See the Cat. Wait a minute. 3 stories about a dog by David LaRochelle, illustrated by Mike Wanutka. Story number 1, See the Cat. See the cat. I am not a cat, I am a dog. See the blue cat. I am not blue, and I am not a cat. The blue cat is in a green dress. I do not have a green dress. The cat's name is Baby Cakes. That is not my name. My name is Max. I wonder what's going on. See the blue cat in a green dress riding a pink unicorn. There is no cat, there is no dress, there is no unicorn, there is just me, Max the dog. Oh, uh-oh, do you see something? Oh, BC, I wonder if that's for Baby Cakes. Uh-oh. He looks pretty surprised. Oh. See the red dog. I am so embarrassed. Story number 2. See the snake. See the snake. Here we go again. The snake is under the dog. Oh, no. Yikes! Oh, no! The snake is mad. Shoo, shoo. The snake is very mad. Help! The mad snake is going to bite the dog. Wait! The mad snake is going to bite the dog. He's got a pencil. I wonder what he's going to do. The mad snake is not going to bite the dog. He changed the story. See the happy dog wag his tail. Phew, that was close. Oh, there goes the snake. And we'll stop right there before we start third story, and we'll have a song. Here we go. Are you enjoying our book so far? Well, I hope you are. Are you ready to do a little singing? A very silly song to go with our silly book today, Down by the Bay. So we have Down by the Bay right here, and we have some watermelons. So here we go. Are you ready? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, but if I do, my mother will say, Did you ever see a moose kissing a goose? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, but if I do, my mother will say. Now we have to come up with another rhyme. Are you ready? Have you ever seen a llama wearing pajamas? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, but if I do, my mother will say. Oh, I wonder what the next one's gonna be. Have you ever seen a bear combing his hair? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, but if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a fly wearing a tie? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, but if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a whale with a polka dot tail? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, but if I do, my mother will say. Did you ever have a time where you couldn't make a rhyme? Down by the bay. Oh, I hope you like that song. Hey, let's go back to our book. Here we go. Story number 3. See the dog. See the dog. Yes! See the dog run and jump. I do not want to run and jump. I want to take a nap. See the dog run and jump and spin and fly. Fly? I cannot fly. If the dog does not run and jump and spin and fly, this hippo will sit on the dog. Oh, uh-oh. He looks like a friendly hippo, though. If this hippo sits on me, I will leave this book. If I leave this book, no one will want to read it, and if no one wants to read it, then it will end up in the trash. Oh no. Oh. In that case, see the dog take a nap. At last. Sleep well, dog. Thank you, book. And that is the end. Well, I hope you enjoyed our silly stories today. See the cat? That dog, he was really getting mad, wasn't he? And I hope you enjoyed our silly song today. And I hope I see you soon. And make sure you join the summer reading program. Reading colors your world. Bye-bye.